All right, guys, just redoing a house and had to build this 6x6 walk-in closet. I want to show you, I used the Dekota Closet system. Menards sells it. I'm not sure who else sells it. But essentially, you have pegboard, 14 and a half inch wide pegboard, about 7 feet tall. So you buy those. Those cost me $23 a piece. And then they have 3 foot long shelves, 1 foot and 2 foot shelves. So you can kind of customize everything you want. And then they have L brackets if you need to adjust your shelving length. Like this is just shy of 3 feet. And then they got these H brackets that I got them screwed onto this board, and they just slide over there to hold it into place. And as you can tell, I use the L brackets there. Screwed them in. Unfortunately, I didn't have a stud on this side, so I had to use wall anchors, but the ones that they provide kind of stink. So as you can see, this one's not even screwed in. But I got to take the whole board off to get to that, which those two are screwed in. But if I take those out, I'll probably mess them up. Then I'll have a couple big holes and have to do it all over again. But this thing's pretty sturdy. I used L clips to the shelf to attach it to the walls. I got one there, one there, one there, and I don't know if you can see that one down the bottom. But these are pretty solid. Over here, I put a drywall anchor there, and a drywall anchor in the bottom. And then this one, I was able to screw straight to the studs. So, how these work, let me show you. Give me 1 minute. All right, I had to take a shelf off, but let's see how they work. You got these little pins, they screw into the holes wherever you want them. And they're kind of offset like that. You got these little plastic pieces that you push in the hole on these boards. And then they kind of just fall into place. Fall into place like that. And they're like a little cam. Put your little screwdriver in there and just tighten them up. Like so. Pretty tight, and you just go around. Your screwdriver will fit in there at a little angle. Probably mess that one up on the camera. Let's see, a little hard to do, but one-handed. Just tighten them like that. So what I did with mine is I attached this one to the wall, and then I started adding these shelves. Then I added those shelves. Then I attached that one to the wall, put the hanger in, put that shelf in, attached this one to the wall, and started putting my shelves onto that one. Then I attached them to the wall, and then I cut that piece. And it's all locked together. So the Dakota system, I guess the only bad thing about, well, not the only bad thing, but you can only get these closet rods in 3 foot long sections. I don't know how to splice them together. So that's why you see it all kind of split up into 3 foot sections. But kind of very customizable. They work. I would say a high-end budget type of closet. Works a lot better than the wire. I hate the wire stuff, so that's why I went with this. But anyways, hope you like this. Like, subscribe. Have a good day.